Hey guys, welcome back to another video sharing content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And in today's video, as I get closer to my wife, we are talking about a grave new move that we are going to do related to subscriptions and memberships. So we're just gonna jump right into it. Check out the last video where we talk about our new process, our new prices for the website and everything, the new Flash options that Flash speed thing that we have. What is it called? What's it called?
Flash is speed.
Flash is, well, we're super fast with getting you your transfers, but in this specific video, as you notice in the title, we are ending subscriptions. The reason why we are ending subscriptions is because we have a brand new, simple price, $35 starting, the 36, and we still offer all these different sizes, but starting at, for the regular 22 by 24 apparel DTF gang sheet, it will only be 35 bucks and it prints and ships the next day. So this applies to everybody. No more 4-day waiting. We won't even offer anything over or under next day print and ship.
Free shipping.
Yes, everything is free shipping. So you will, like I said in the first video, you will type in your address when checking out, but that's only to ship to you. You won't see a price total up in your cart. Again, if you're in the state of Texas, of course you'll pay taxes, but if you're outside the state of Texas, it is 35 bucks. Bam, nothing more, no bloat, nothing else, boom, right to you. So therefore, because we're doing that, we are going to eliminate all subscriptions. There will be no more renewals for August. We are going to go through and handle everything in the back end as we handle all of the other processes. But we just want to say thank you for all the people out there who decided to subscribe to Flash Custom Transfers.
Plus membership.
Plus membership. Now YouTube has memberships in which if you want to support the channel, you can do that on Flash Custom Transfers. Or on I think on Straight Outta Content, I have the ability because of the amount of subscribers that I have. If you still want to support us, you totally can. You can actually support on each individual video. You can support in our live chats and stuff like that. But we will be ending the subscription membership due to the fact that we will have the fastest what's it called?
Turnaround time.
Turnaround time. Thank you. Get yourself a wife out there because she's gonna finish all your sentences. Fastest turnaround time and the lowest price, because even there's some other companies out there, and back when we were 20 bucks, but then we had there was plus shipping and plus everything else. How much was it to get your thing printed the next day?
Where?
Back before we decided to do this whole new process.
$10.
$10. So now we sliced all those prices and we want to get you your stuff fast. That's what Charlie and I are going to be working on. We're not going to be behind the computer anymore. The only thing you will see us on is video, advertising, stuff like that. But we now have employees coming. We have a whole new product. We actually have a whole new company too, a separate company outside of Flash Custom Transfers that we're building as well. So just wanted to make this quick little video talking about that. There will be another video made by Charlie. Charlie, you want to say anything?
Yeah, so what that means I know everyone's like, so what does it mean? What does it mean? Yes. I'm a member. What about all my perks, all my things, So don't be alarmed. You will still receive your full membership all the way through July. Starting August, nobody will be renewed. Nobody will auto-renew, anything like that. We have canceled all subscriptions for August. Everyone will have the same access to all of the new process discounts, which means everybody will get a 22 by 24 for 35 next day print / ship, free shipping. Everybody. So everyone is a part of the membership.
Yes, exactly.
So there's no more, I know you got your, specific discounts on printing, shipping, expedited shipping, but we have free shipping across the board. So there's no reason to have membership fees. Everyone gets their discounted rate, no more membership fees.
Yes.
So we appreciate all of our Flash Plus members. We had about how many? 167? 167 members. Like, that's a round of applause. Good job, babe. I'm proud of us. That just shows the amount of dedication. 167 of you were dedicated to your own personal business, and I couldn't be more proud. With this new process that we have, if you want to go look at that video in detail, just kind of explaining what will be happening as far as you will submit and we will print as is. So please look at that because it's very important to understand Flash Custom Transfer's new process. But this video is just about subscriptions, that we will be ending those, and you will be getting free shipping across the board and next day print, business day. So all orders will be next day print / ship.
Yeah.
So we appreciate you, all of you Flash Plus members. And if you have any questions, you can always email us or you can comment down below and we will let you know.
Excited.
Yes.
We are
so we're going to go ahead and get a video filmed for Flash Custom Transfers. If y'all want to head over there and watch me, you can.
All right. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and head on over to Flash Custom Transfers because we're going to be doing some really big things and changing the industry. Again, the fastest transfer in the world, Flash Custom Transfers. Be basic. Peace.
Flash.
Flash.